One of the topics you said we're going to cover in this workshop is 3 ways that you can make money in real estate. Can you give us a quick overview of what those are?
Absolutely. So when we make money 3 ways, it's 3 ways is our minimum ways that we make money. We can make money 4 to 5 ways on one property, but 3 is typically what most people can do if you're not a licensed realtor, or if you're not wholesaling the deal. So first is we buy the property, we fix it up, make it look real pretty. We refinance, and when we refinance, we get cash out. So we do a cash out refinance to get our money back and some extra because we rehabbed it and added value to the house. Then we put tenant buyers in it. That tenant buyer puts down a non-refundable option fee, and that's an option to buy the property. So that's our second profit center.
If done right, the cash out can be
really
a profit center.
Yeah.
But I won't. Most people, it takes some deals to get that right.
Yeah, because you're gonna overspend on that rehab. You're gonna overthink it, take too long. Things are gonna happen where that cash out may not be your first profit center. But that non-refundable option fee, that's profit center 1. Typically, our clients are giving anywhere between $5,000 to $40,000 in the option fee. All right, so that's the first way. Then they're making monthly payments. Those monthly payments are rental payments where we're literally getting cash flow from it. So, we're going to talk about it more. I don't want to go into segue. Okay. Then you got the cash flow, and then the third profit center is the biggest one, and that's when you sell it to them. So you make money literally 3 ways, just with one property. And I love it because I save when it comes to taxes because it's not a flip at that point. So I'm not paying short-term capital gains. I get to help someone in the process go from renting to owning and teach them that process to someone who never thought that they can buy. But at the same time, I'm making money 3 ways and saving when it comes to taxes. So it's a win-win.